have seen the use of VLookUp function, including its error resolutions. There is another sort of cousin to the VLookUp. This is the HLookUp. VLookUp, as you know, stands for vertical lookup, in which the data is arranged in a vertical lines, columns, and HLookUp is where the data is arranged in rows. And for data which you need to look up, you move horizontally across the columns. One point suggestion about HLookUp is, if possible, try to convert the lookup values, the lookup table itself, into a row-wise lookup, that is, use VLookUp where possible instead of HLookUp. But in some cases, HLookUp is not possible to be converted into a VLookUp formula. We see how to use a HLookUp, and we also use HLookUp in the VLookUp formula, sort of a combination of VLookUp and HLookUp. We'll now go into the topic. HLookUp, this is the syntax. Lookup value, table array, row index number, and the range lookup. Similar to VLookUp, except for it is the row index here, when we look up with the column index. Typical data is like this. So this is typical data of sales of let us say a small stationery shop. We'll take, for the case of convenience, just 3 products of pens, pencils and sketch pens for Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. These are random figures. So I need to know what are the sales of pencils for, let us say, quarter 2. Then for quarter 2, I require sales of pencils, that is 19 here. So I go for HLookUp. Lookup value is Q2 in the table array of sales, that is B4 to F7. The row index number of pencils is 1, 2 and 3, that is 3, and we need an exact match, 19. So what happens when you go for Q3? Changes to 15, this cell here, and Q4 it is Q4, it's 4.
Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thank you for watching.